What's going on, everyone? Good morning, welcome back to Cruising the South. And if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. Here Cruising the South, we share with you guys all the awesome places we go with the boat, but also all the problems and services and maintenance we do, right? And I'm not sure if you guys been following me, but mid-project on replacing the entire engine on this boat, putting a brand new 454 on it. And right now I figured I would document this. I'm gonna use some of this rust remover, and I'm gonna put some parts in it and see how that works, how good that works. As you can see, those are my the mounts for my transmission. So see, there's a little rust and what's not. It's a little bit of rust going on, so I want to rust bath this and respray it black so it looks brand new, you know. But I'm eager to find out how good these things work. Right. I think you're supposed to submerge it. I think it looks nice. It's pretty much all submersed. I'm gonna move it a little bit so those parts a little bit deeper. All right. Now I'm gonna let that sit for a little while and check in a little bit. I also gotta clean my transmission. Gotta do a couple other things. Let me show you guys where we at right now. Okay, so that's the transmission. Just want to clean it. Nothing wrong with it. Then I got all these little parts. See, like I want to put all this stuff on rust bath. See, it doesn't look bad, but you know, gotta clean it up, get that rust out. So when the new engine goes in, everything looks great, right? Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna throw this piece there too. See, like all rusty. This piece actually holds my alternator in place, you know, so the alternator sits right here. So let's put it on the rust bath too and see what happens, right? All right, so we have it all on the rust bath. Let's see how good it works. So like you can see like little bubbles coming off of it. So cool. Let me get the transmission. It's heavy. I hope I can do it by myself. Ooh, got it. Oh, this thing's like super heavy. But there she is. She needs like a good cleaning. Now I have a little pulley system. I'm gonna put a rod here and pick her up so she's dangling, then I can clean everywhere. Let's do it. All right, how cool is that? Now I can spray with degreaser and clean it up. Let me go get the degreaser. I'm gonna go with this. Let's see how good it works. So first, let me show you how it looks. Okay. Not too bad. Just this bracket right here, I'm gonna take that bracket off and refinish it and put it back. Alright guys, so the first round of the treatment is pretty good. So here, let me show you guys the transmission. See, I'm starting to tape the areas that I don't want it to get paint, you know, because I'm about to spray her. But yeah, she's nice and clean right now. See, like, looks brand new now. So I scraped everything that was like peeling, you know, so I'm gonna spray with a primer now. But first I have to cover everything that I don't want to get paint on, you know. But the rust bath, like, it works pretty good. See, like, this is good to be painted. Like, this was so rusty, like, it really killed the rust. Came out really good. This wasn't rusty to begin with, but look at the bolts. They all look brand new. The rusting is really good. I like it. I'll put a description for it on the, a link for it for the description. Now I'm just gonna tape everything up so I can spray this and have her ready to get mounted on. Alright, let me put some tape on this. So I got her all taped up. I'm gonna go ahead and give a coat of paint. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna use. Hold on. This is the paint that I'm going to use. I'm gonna spray with these first, and then I'm gonna spray with this. Let's do it. Alright guys, came up pretty good. Look at that. It looks brand new. Sprayed all of it. Very cool, right? Now I gotta mount some other stuff. Alright guys, it came out great. Look at her. Of course, that side right there didn't want to paint, so the mounts mount to it, but it actually came out really nice. Hi Mr. Riley, good morning. Okay, see, it came out good. This is where all the pieces are gonna mount to it, so I figured, I'm not gonna paint that. But look, she looks brand new, man. Looks very good. Very, very good. Now, let's take a look on these other parts over here. Alright, let's see what happened here. Oh wow. All the rust is gone, baby. It looks brand new. I mean, of course, gotta be painted, but see, like, no more rust. Wow, I'm impressed. This is that alternator piece that I showed you guys. It really does dissolve the rust. Wow. Oh, ho, 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 look at this. Very nice, man. Alright, product approved, it worked. And it's very light too, because I don't know how abrasive it is, but I've been handling with my bare hands and it doesn't burn or nothing, I should put gloves though, but I'm not hurt or anything, and it doesn't really burn, so. Alright, let me, now I'm gonna do a little rinse and spray this bad boys black. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish this video here. But so the rust remover stuff that we were using and the high temperature paint, everything came out really good. So see, those are the mounts. Everything's ready to be installed. See, I still have several other pieces to do, but see, like everything is gonna go in brand new looking. It's gonna go back in. Now I have a few more things to do still. Also, another rust thing that I use is this right here, which this one is quite more aggressive, you know, like you put it on, you leave it there for like 30 minutes or so, and then you rinse it off, but also works really good. Okay, now I gotta see, that's the inspection cover, and right here is my bell housing cover. So that one just needs to get a little cleaning. Now let me show you guys what I still have to clean. Okay, the engine's right there. It's ready to be pulled. Everything's ready. As soon as I get my engine, I'm assuming I'm getting my new engine tomorrow, so it's gonna be quite exciting. Now I'm sorry there's a mess here, but here's the flywheel that I cleaned already. I sprayed some lithium grease on it. Now this is pretty much all ready to go. I might clean that little wheelie right there, and those things I'm gonna replace a lot of these hoses. And here's my carb, doesn't really need much, and a few other pieces there that I'm gonna clean up. But yeah, we're getting there. The next couple of days I should have the engine, hopefully tomorrow, and then of course we're gonna have a barge come right here, pick this baby up, put on the grass, put the new engine in there, and we're good. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys on the very next episode. Bye bye.